We finally made it to the ocean! And I am so excited. Joy right now. I can't explain. This is a great place because look, this overlook allows you to know what you're looking for and where you might find it. So we are here and we're going up to here. Look out there, guys. You can see cruise ships. Okay, I just had to share that. We're gonna get in the car and head up to Cape Flattery. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I wanted to make sure that we definitely got this stop in today. The view was too good. I had to stop off. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We don't got this in Texas. No. So I thought I had to stop off and check it out. And I can smell the ocean. I can just see it as it kind of swoops in over the rocky areas. This is gorgeous. It is cold out here though. Oh my goodness, it is cold. We are almost to Cape Flattery and I can only imagine how amazing it's about to be. Okay, I just passed a sign that said we are required to have a permit to go out to Cape Flattery. There's not a permit station where the sign is. It says we have to pick it up from a vendor. That means I have to find a vendor. And I don't know where that's gonna be. I'm thinking if we continue pushing forward, there's a couple of communities, they'll probably have it. I'm assuming. Yeah. Okay guys, we finally made it. I'm so excited. I didn't know how that was gonna work, but now that we have made it, it is approximately 25-minute full round trip trail. And as you can see, all the little signage points us in the right direction. That's cool. They have sticks that you can rent or buy. Very cool. A lot of times people don't have their hiking stick. So like I said, tomorrow it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain the day after. So I'm not sure where our adventures will take us after this. I'm not sure at all. I have some things I still need to do, and I might just have to gut it out and wear a rain suit because I'm not missing the rainforest, even if that means I'm hitting the rainforest in the rain, ironically. I love that these boardwalks are here. From boardwalks to tree stumps. This is like a playground in the forest, really. I'm starting to be able to hear water, so I think we're close. This is definitely a really unique path, and it's really fun. It's like a big playground, except for since it rained, it's a little slippery. See, it's a playground. And from here, I can see the beginning of the ocean. I'm not gonna show you yet because we're not close enough for you to really be able to see it with this camera, but we're close. Look at this tree. It has 4 different forks. That's cool, and it just goes straight up. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. That's different. I almost feel like Hobbit with all these paths. This is really kind of interesting. Oh, it's very whimsical, but I can see why they did it this way. It makes it way easier to get down and probably back up since it is so slick. But wow, this is a lot of work that went into this. There's tons of these. I could even see some starfish that were clinging to the rocks. So I can imagine that right now it's probably high tide, and during low tide, they would be fully exposed, which is amazing. See guys, it's so pretty. But wait, we're not done. Oh my goodness. This is a better view of what we were just looking at. From here, you can see into the cove also, and a little bit further out without the tree. Got some great views and it was spectacular. I love the ocean probably more than anything on earth, even though I truly do love the mountains. The ocean just has this calming effect. And just as I'm truly enjoying myself, I read this sign which says that the waves actually pounding away at the Cape area are slowly pulling it to the sea. So there's a cave right here. It says if you stand really still on the actual ground and a big wave hits, you can feel everything shudder. Good times. Don't want to feel that. Onward down the Hobbit steps. Woo! One beautiful last view before we head back to the car and call it a day. We are in the top part of the continuous 48 on the western side, and it's so impressive. If I could wake up to this view every day, there would be no reason to ever be stressed out. This view exactly like it is, not when the sea's rough. It's just gorgeous. One last view for you guys at home, and then I'm out of here.